In this video, I will show you how to build a WordPress site on HostGator. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my HostGator course within my university for free. Inside this HostGator course, you will learn things like how to get started with your HostGator shared hosting, how to set up and manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your WordPress performance in HostGator. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university today for free, just go to university.benzexperience.com, link in the description. Building a WordPress website can be done in two ways, directly from this interface or from cPanel. The first method, which is directly from this interface, is like that. Click on Settings and go to Settings again. Scroll down till you see Install WordPress, and this is the button to start the process. To install WordPress from cPanel, just go to Hosting, scroll down a little bit, and under Quick Links, click on cPanel. Under Software, click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Click on Install. Make sure to use HTTPS and select your domain name. For the WordPress version, I prefer to always install the latest one, and give your website a name and a description, and here give them a username and a strong password. Give your WordPress, enter your email address, and from language you can select your language. And for plugins, I prefer to have a clean or a fresh WordPress copy. So no, I don't prefer to use these plugins. Under advanced options, you can modify your database name or prefix, and then click on Install. And after a moment, my WordPress website is successfully built. As you can see, I don't see any WordPress interface, but this is not a problem because I just need to clear my browser cache. I can do it also from my WordPress control panel. Just log in to your WordPress website. Since I don't want to build my website using questions or following this process, I will choose to exit to WordPress. Go to caching and click on Purge All. Now click on Visit Site. And as you can see, here is my WordPress site successfully built on HostGator. That was all for this video. To encourage me make more videos just like this one, and make sure to subscribe.